I'm not good at math this early in the morning. I'm trying to like count how many days until Halloween. Is it on the 9-day forecast already? That Monday?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, it is. It's the last day of the month, so it's the last day on our 9-day forecast. So you'll see that coming.
Start preparing your costumes.
Yeah, oh, definitely. You know, sometimes we have to think about, you know, you have these great costumes you put all this time, and then you got to wrap them up in a warm coat. So we'll see how that looks, and you'll see that here in just a moment. Let me get you set for today, and that is we are currently in the 60s and low 70s. It's really a beautiful Sunday morning, a little bit breezy, but let me just take you straight to the wind forecast. This is our future scan focusing on the wind, and specifically the wind gusts and the timing of this. Notice that by 3:15 we have wind gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Some may even gust close to 50 miles an hour. So though it's just breezy now, it is going to be a gale later this afternoon, just super windy. That's why we do have a wind advisory today. But because that wind's coming out of the south, it warms us up to 85 degrees today in Kansas City, and that's pretty typical across the board. That's not going to be where we are tomorrow, though, because there is a front barreling towards us. Also, the reason why it's so windy, the pressure change with this front. But as that front moves in, we're going to have our warmest temperature tomorrow at midnight. And then in the middle of the day, when you would normally have the high, we're going to still be dropping. Our temperatures will be in the 50s in the middle of the afternoon, northwest winds at 10, and it will be raining. Let me look at that with Future Scan now focused on the rain. This is later tonight. This is before midnight. We may have just a couple of showers. Isolated thunderstorm is possible. If we get a thunderstorm, there's a low chance that it could produce some hail. So we'll be watching for that. Then early tomorrow morning, I think your rush hour will be fine. Then lunchtime, take your rain gear because you'll need it by then. As you can see, we are in a 100% chance of rain for the afternoon, and then by 6 o'clock it begins to move away. Rain showers may linger east of Kansas City late tomorrow night, early Tuesday morning, but the rain will end for Kansas City most likely between 6 and 7 p.m. tomorrow. The amount of rain, much more to the east and south of Kansas City, 1 inch to almost 2 inches. In the city, a 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain. Farther north you go, looking more at 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain. But this is definitely much needed rain. Wish we had more days like this in the 9-day forecast. We don't, with the exception of a slight chance of rain on Friday. You see the cooler temperatures for the week ahead. Now as we look to next Monday on Halloween, it should be 63 degrees in the afternoon and just a partly cloudy sky. So it should be really nice weather for the children to be out trick-or-treating. And we'll be right back.